Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present for sale this 1.6 Diesel SZ5 Vitara. This car comes with full service history and is finished in black metallic paint with a white roof. As you can see, all the alloy wheels are in fantastic condition. Moving into the interior, as you can see, the part leather seats, again all in superb condition. The SZ5 comes with colour touchscreen which has digital AM FM radio, sat nav, smartphone connection. The SZ5 also comes with a panoramic sunroof. Moving into the rear, 3 seats in the back with Isofix, part leather, good legroom for rear passengers. Any car sold by Luscombe Suzuki would come with 12 months MOT and a service before leaving.